Welcome to Top Picks Now. The best cleaning filament is probably one of the most overlooked tools in the 3D printing world, but trust me, it's a game changer. Today, we're diving deep into this essential product, exploring its benefits, and showing you exactly why it deserves a spot in your 3D printing toolkit. We'll cover everything from how it works to why it's crucial for maintaining your printer's performance and print quality. Number 5. TTYT 3D Shine Silk Turquoise Blue PLA Filament. This filament creates 3D printed items with a beautiful, shiny, and smooth appearance. It's perfect for a variety of projects, from arts and crafts to DIY creations. The unique color resembles a jewel or stone. This 1.75mm filament is designed for easy use with FDM 3D printers. It offers high diameter tolerance, ensuring consistent feeding and stable prints. You'll experience no edge warping or clogging, making it ideal for indoor printing. For optimal results, we recommend a heated bed temperature of 50 to 60 degrees Celsius and a printing temperature of 220 degrees Celsius. After each use, insert the filament into the spool holes to prevent tangling. Our filament is guaranteed to be 100% tangle-free before opening. To avoid tangling, secure the filament end after each print by inserting it into the spool holes. For improved print quality, consider using a new 0.4 mm plus 3D printer nozzle. We offer a satisfaction guarantee. If you're not completely satisfied for any reason, contact us, and we'll do our best to assist you. We provide a response within 24 hours. What we like. This filament gives your prints a beautiful, shiny finish, perfect for eye-catching projects. It's also designed for easy printing, making it ideal for beginners. If you're looking to add a touch of elegance and visual appeal to your creations, you should consider this. What people say. Prints come out clean every time, no clogs or weirdness. They have a huge selection of colors from bright neons to shiny silk finishes and even glow-in-the-dark options. Prints nicely. Keep in mind this prints a little warmer than typical PLA. Had no issues with adhesion or flow, other than the temperature it prints like any PLA material. Number 4. FLASHFORGE Chameleon PLA Filament 1.75mm. This filament changes color with light and angle, offering stunning visual effects. It's perfect for creating unique and eye-catching 3D prints. The series includes 5 amazing colors. The filament uses special pigments to conceal layer lines. This allows the creation of smooth, visually appealing models. It's a great choice for artistic and decorative projects. PLA is known for its user-friendliness and low printing temperature. This filament adheres well to common print surfaces. It's a great choice for both beginners and experienced users. The filament has a low shrinkage rate, resulting in smooth surfaces. It's ideal for indoor use and detailed prints. It also emits very little odor during printing. The filament is designed to prevent clogs and bubbles. This ensures a smooth and stable printing experience. It's dried, vacuum-sealed, and quality-checked for reliability. Advanced systems ensure a consistent 1.75mm diameter with a tolerance of plus 0.02mm. Each spool contains 1 kg of filament, ready for your next project. What we like. This filament changes color with light and angles, offering a unique visual experience. It's also designed to hide layer lines, resulting in smooth, professional-looking prints. If you are looking for a filament that adds a dynamic and professional touch to your prints, you should consider this. What people say. The Rainbow PLA prints beautifully with consistent feed and smooth layers. Colors are vibrant, and the filament works well on most FDM printers. Layer lines are minimal, and it's easy to handle. Number 3. JAYO Silk PLA Filament Bundle. Introducing the JAYO Silk PLA Filament Bundle. This bundle offers a vibrant array of colors to bring your 3D printing projects to life. It's perfect for anyone looking to add a touch of shine and creativity to their prints. This bundle includes 8 rolls of premium silk PLA filament. You'll get a variety of colors, including 6 different silk rainbow shades, plus light gold and silver. Each roll contains 250 g of filament, totaling 2 kilograms. Experience the magic of fast color changes with the rainbow filament. It shifts colors every 8 meters, allowing for dynamic and eye-catching prints. Smaller items will showcase even more color variations. The JAYO Silk PLA filament offers a glossy, smooth, and silky surface. This gives your creations a beautiful sheen, making them ideal for art and craft projects. It's a step up from regular PLA. The filament comes with a spool diameter of 120 mm, a width of 43 mm, and a hub hole diameter of 42 mm. The 1.75 mm diameter filament ensures compatibility with most FDM 3D printers. For optimal results, we recommend a nozzle temperature of 205 to 235 degrees Celsius and a bed temperature of 50 to 60 degrees Celsius. Printing speed should range from 50 to 200 mm/s. These settings will help you achieve the best possible prints. Each roll of JAYO filament is wound with precision to prevent tangling. This ensures a smooth and uninterrupted printing process, so you can focus on bringing your ideas to life. What we like. This bundle offers a variety of colors with fast color changes, perfect for creating vibrant and dynamic prints. The silk finish adds a touch of shine, making it great for artistic projects. If you like creating colorful and eye-catching models, you should consider this. What people say. The silky finish gives prints a metallic sheen that looks amazing straight off the bed, no post-processing needed. The dual-color silk filament prints with a smooth, glossy surface that reflects light beautifully. The triple-color PLA filament transitions smoothly between colors, creating gradient effects that are visually striking. Number 2. LOVOON Rainbow Gradient PLA Filament 1.75 mm. This filament features 5 beautiful matte colors: mint green, Tiffany blue, lavender purple, coral pink, and peach fuzz. The colors blend seamlessly, and you'll see the full spectrum in about 150 G. It's ideal for larger prints. This matte PLA filament uses a special modified material that provides excellent viscosity. It effectively hides the layers in your prints, resulting in a smooth finish. The colors are vibrant, making it a great choice for gifts. The filament diameter tolerance is plus 0.02 mm, ensuring compatibility with most FDM 3D printers and 3D pens. Whether you're a beginner or an expert, this filament is easy to use. The filament is dried for 24 hours before packaging and then vacuum sealed with desiccant. This protects it from moisture. It comes in gift packaging, making it a perfect present. LOVOON values your experience and welcomes your suggestions. If you encounter any issues, they are ready to provide a satisfactory solution. They are committed to helping you. What we like. This filament offers a beautiful matte rainbow effect, perfect for hiding layer lines and creating smooth finishes. It's also compatible with most 3D printers, making it accessible for everyone. If you are looking for a filament that provides a smooth, professional finish with a unique color gradient, you should consider this. What people say. Cleaning Filament 1.75 mm works great. It works perfectly for cleaning the nozzle. This stuff works great for cleaning out my 3D printer nozzle. Number 1. ANYCUBIC PETG 1.75 mm filament. This filament produces prints with a smooth, delicate surface and a vibrant hue. The prints are either semi-transparent or fully transparent when illuminated, giving the models a clear and aesthetically pleasing look. It combines the ease of printing of PLA with the toughness of ABS. The impact resistance is twice that of standard PLA. This makes it a great choice for toys, chassis, and mechanical prototypes, as the models maintain structural integrity. The 1.75 mm diameter ensures a seamless extrusion without clogging or bubbles, resulting in a refined finish. The dimensional stability is maintained with a tolerance of plus minus 0.02 mm, making it compatible with almost all FDM 3D printers. The high precision prevents cracks and warping. It offers enhanced chemical and water resistance, ensuring stability even in humid environments. The excellent adhesion guarantees a stronger and more reliable printing experience. The eco-friendly and non-toxic materials are protected by vacuum packaging. This effectively shields against moisture and dust, ensuring an enhanced printing experience. The filament features intelligent identification chips that integrate with the ACE Pro. This allows for automatic identification of printing information, enhancing the printing experience. The reusable filament spool has a threaded connection system for enhanced stability. This design significantly reduces the risk of entanglement, filament scattering, and operational errors. What we like. This filament is known for its durability and impact resistance, making it suitable for functional prints. It also offers clear and vibrant colors, enhancing the aesthetics of your models. If you need a strong and visually appealing filament for your projects, you should consider this. What people say. Cleaning filament 1.75 mm works great. It works perfectly for cleaning the nozzle. This stuff works great for cleaning out my 3D printer nozzle. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.